Hey guys, I apologize, I forgot to video it, but last week my dad and my dad helped me put the decking on. So I do still have to put the bolts in on the cross beams that are not where the seams are. I've got them on the seams. But then Dad, like for example, down here, this cross beam, I don't have any screws. I use the self-tapping screws from Pontoon stuff. They sent me the whole thing. They sent me the decking, the screws, the carpet, which is in that thing, the glue, all that stuff, everything I needed. I mean, they didn't send it to me for free. I bought it from them, but it's nice how it comes in a kit. Anyway, also we got the old gas motor off, and we took the transom boards out. They were looking pretty old, and my dad helped me cut the new ones. They're a little bit slightly thinner than the old, so I'm gonna have to get some like washers, just to, you know, space it out. So next Tuesday, the motor and batteries, the 50 horse electric motor and the related batteries and wiring and throttle and all that stuff, supposed to ship out. So I still got to build a helm station and put the siding on, and the carpet on, and all that kind of stuff. So it'll be a little while, but maybe in the next 3, 4, 5 weeks, I'll be out on the water doing some testing. I won't be totally done by then, but I could at least maybe get everything hooked up and take it out for a spin, and you guys can see how fast it goes and that kind of stuff. So we'll see how it goes.